Hello everyone, my name is Will, and in this video I'll be teaching you guys how to grow a page on Instagram. This video will be a guide for all of you who want to gain more followers or just start a new account from scratch. I'll be going through all the steps in order to create a niche page. Step 1, you'll need to find the reason why you want to create a page. I feel like if you just go in for no real purpose, you won't be able to accomplish what you want to do. So what I think you should do is just have a goal in mind. It could be making money, it could be using that page in order to help yourself grow in another way. Just make sure you have a reason why. Since you clicked on this video, I'm sure you already have your why. And for those of you watching and interested in growing a page, that's a very important step. Step 2, finding your niche. You don't have to pick a niche where you already know everything about. You can easily just go in a niche that you don't know anything about and just try to learn as you go. Obviously, this will be a little slower than if you went into something you already knew. But personally, I didn't go into something that I knew, and it's worked pretty well so far. Obviously, if you know more about the niche that you're getting into, it'll be easier to communicate with others and just relate to your followers. So that's what I would recommend. Step 3, content. You will need to post content in order to grow a following, but it comes down to you in order to decide what you want to post. You will need to post content in order to grow a following, but it comes down to you to decide what you want to post. For my niche page, I started talking to smaller artists in the lo-fi space. What I really did was just sell them on the idea that I can give them exposure and give them better promotion than they've had before. This is a win-win because I can post their music and they get more exposure, and all I would do is just put a more minimalist twist on their music already. Over time, I've been able to grow a list of artists and post them on a regular basis. However, you don't have to follow my footsteps. It comes down to what you want to do. Feel free to do it your own way. My main tip for posting good content and interacting with others would really be to just stay professional so people take you seriously. Posting frequently is a must. You have to stay consistent with it. The lifespan of a post on Instagram isn't for much longer than a day, so that's why you have to post maybe more, once, twice, 3 times a day, maybe even more. There's no real limit to how much you can post. Growing a following on Instagram has gone much harder over the last few years, but it's not impossible. Typically with a new account, people aren't really interested in what you're posting, so here's what I usually do. First, I figure out who's the most looked up to people in that space. I follow them and I comment on their posts something that their followers will be able to relate to and something that makes sense in the context of that post. I stay active in their comments by replying to multiple people. Over time, people are going to notice you and they're going to end up following, and this will give you new followers that are interested in what you post. Some of you may have listened to that and thought that'll take way too long, so here's another method to grow even faster. Go to those main accounts that you followed earlier, go to their recent post and click on their likes. Find who liked that post. From there, follow as many people as you can. There's roughly a 200 limit before your account gets suspended, so I wouldn't go past that. This can work for as long as you want. All that happens is really just gain more followers and you follow more people. The reason this is going to work is because your content's going to be similar to those main accounts that you followed earlier. Their followers are going to become your new followers, and since your content's going to be similar, they're also going to enjoy it. Also, the reason why you don't just follow straight from their following list on the main page of their profile is because some of those accounts become inactive over time, and you want followers who like and are active, so that's why you go on their recent posts and follow the people who have liked it. Once you're happy with how many followers you have, I recommend just unfollowing them. You may lose a few followers, but most of them won't notice. This option won't be worth it once you're a bigger page, so I don't see why you shouldn't try it when you first start your page. There you have it. It seems pretty simple, but posting quality content is what's really going to make the difference here. No matter what niche you decide to go into, you should see a growth in your following. Thanks for watching, and see you guys next week. I post every Monday, so it'd mean the world to me if you guys turned on notifications to not miss any of my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys soon.